Hello, what is up you guys? म दिपेश र आजको भिडियोमा हामीसँग छ Yamaha को क्लासिकल सिरिजबाट C40 मोडलको क्लासिकल गिटार। यो गिटार चाहिँ बिगिनर्सहरुको लागि एकदम सुइटेबल छ किनभने this guitar is very affordable. The quality that you get for the price is very reasonable. So if you are just starting out on your musical journey, this guitar is very much recommended for you. यो गिटारको स्पेसिफिकेसन्सहरुतिर लागौं। The Yamaha C40 is a great sounding yet affordable full-sized classical guitar. This guitar features a spruce top, locally sourced tonewood for back, side and neck, rosewood fingerboard and bridge. The fretboard radius is flat. Nut and saddle on this guitar are made of urea. The tuners are chrome. The body has a gloss finish, whereas the neck has matte finish. Thank you for watching the video. अनि तपाईहरुलाई कुनै भिडियो हेर्न मन लागेको छ, कुनै टपिकमा भिडियोहरु हेर्न मन लागेको छ भने तल कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा कमेन्ट गर्नुस् so we can work accordingly and plan out our next videos. यदि तपाईहरुलाई यो गिटार किन्न मन छ भने you guys can buy through our website or you guys can come to the store. Naqsa police headquarter ko ठ्याक्क opposite ma situated छ store, so you guys can come there and play the guitar yourself and buy it at the store itself. And please do remember to like and comment on and share our video. You guys can be updated all the videos that we post. This is me, Dipesh, signing off. Have a good one.